Come test drive the 2018 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, Sirius satellite radio, security system, low tire pressure warning. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.